prepare yourself for an electrifying adventure. You're about to witness intense action and unbelievable moments that will keep you on the edge of your seat. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. There's plenty more high-octane excitement coming your way. Extremely dangerous. Navigating steep, treacherous terrain with such a massive load of timber. It was only a matter of time before this truck tipped over. Oh my goodness! This tanker lost control and created absolute chaos. Unbelievable! Several cars are trying to pass each other on a cliff's edge. Any wrong move and they could plummet into the abyss below. Heart-stopping moment! A sudden tire blowout sent dust flying everywhere, adding to the chaos. Make sure your crane has the strength to lift heavy loads, or you'll end up in a disaster like this. Oh no! The trailer's load was far too heavy for the forklift to handle safely. This harvester stands no chance of recovery. It's being swallowed by the intense flames. Nerve-wracking! The driver kept going despite the front tire being badly damaged. After all that time and effort, it was all for nothing. The crane collapsed. Don't forget to like and subscribe to catch more intense situations like this. Whoops! The excavator operator can't continue until the bucket is fully repaired. Three cranes were brought in, but they still couldn't rescue the truck. The heavy crane arm caused the entire truck to tip over as it came off the transport vehicle. Yet another similar incident involving this truck carrying an excavator. Impressive! Even though the remote-controlled excavators were wrecked, It was a safe way to demolish an old bridge without risking lives. Pay attention to height limit signs, or you might end up like this. Transporting a massive boulder is no easy task. Navigating steep curves requires intense focus, or you'll face unfortunate accidents. Oh no! The front of this expensive yacht is severely damaged after a powerful collision. You're witnessing the final moments of this plane. It's no longer safe for use. These steel coils can be deadly if they aren't transported properly. Sometimes, unloading can bring unexpected dangers, and today was just not this driver's day. Repairing this house is going to cost a small fortune. This is yet another lesson on choosing the right crane for the weight you're lifting. This operator took a major risk driving across unstable beams. That speed is way too fast for that curve. Speed limits exist for a reason. Safety first. Thank goodness the bulldozer operator survived this terrifying accident. Wow, that's going to be a $15,000 repair for those garbage trucks. And I'm sure it's a cylinder issue. A tow truck just pulled the crane straight into a ravine in a blink of an eye. It's extremely dangerous not to lower the truck bed before hitting the road like this. smoke billowing from the excavator shows something is seriously wrong. What kind of sentence will this truck driver face after crashing into the water and getting stuck? I can almost feel the frustration of the tractor operator as the machine breaks down beyond repair. Never stay in a truck's blind spot, or you'll end up in a dangerous situation like this. What a tough challenge! The muddy terrain is making it nearly impossible for this timber truck to move. No matter how skilled the driver is, there's no way to react quickly enough in this sudden, dangerous situation. The heavy truck bed caused the vehicle to tip over tragically. Accidents can strike at any moment when driving on difficult terrain like this. I wonder if the driver is really paying attention here. They need a bigger truck to handle this massive corn harvest. Watching that Land Cruiser beat out a truck was exhilarating. It just shows size doesn't always win. Pay attention to height limit signs, or you might crash into an obstacle like this. Oh, this driver rushed too quickly before everything was ready. Stay far away from trucks like this if you want to avoid danger. It seems like this machine isn't all that helpful in this situation. There's nothing more dangerous than a sudden, reckless U-turn like that. When working in a team, one mistake can impact everyone. Wow, that operator is fearless, driving that machine between two houses like it's nothing.